Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add a website link on TripAdvisor. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add a link of website on TripAdvisor. Maybe because you have a website of yours that you want to add as a link on your profile in TripAdvisor and you don't know how to do it. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the TripAdvisor app. If you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store. And once it gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the TripAdvisor. Once it gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top of the screen and some of the options at the bottom of the screen. And in the middle of the screen, there you will find different places. If you want to stay there, you can go for it. If you want to just visit, you can also go for it. So now if you want to add your website link, what you have to do is that you have to go to your profile. And if you want to go to your profile, you have to look down for the 5 options that at the bottom. Once you see these 5 options, what you have to do is that you just have to simply select this right option and then you will get into your account. First, you will need a title of account and there you will see these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose in this app. So from all these options, you have to tap onto this option, which is profile. Once you tap onto this option, you will land into a profile. You could also read its title at the top. There you will see some of the information which is from your account, like your name and other stuff. So now what we have to do is that here we have this option which says no website added. So if you add any website link here, it will appear here. So for that, you just have to simply tap onto this pencil icon. Once you tap on it, you will get this option which says edit profile. Again, you will see different options here. At here you will see this third option which says website. Under it says add a website. So what here you have to do is that you just have to simply copy the URL of your website, or you could say the link, and you just have to paste it here. One other thing that you could do is that you could also write the link by itself. So for example, here I'm just going to type the link of Google. Likewise, you have to add the link of your website that you have of your own, or maybe any relevant website that you think should be here. Once you add it here by copy pasting or typing, just simply click on this option save, and that link will be saved here. After that, you have to turn off the app and again turn on it, then you will see it here. Now we are out of the app, and again just simply click on the icon of the app and it will open. Once it gets open, you again have to go to this option which is at the bottom of the page which says account. Once you tap onto that option, you will land into your account. Once you get here, now just simply click on this option profile, and there you will see the link that we just pasted has been added as a website link here. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add link of a website on TripAdvisor. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.